Hello, welcome to Around Design. Today we gonna talk about Apple Pencil Pro and Wacom Art Pen. Let's delve into the new Apple Pencil Pro, which boasts two standout features that set it apart. Firstly, it incorporates sensors in the pencil's barrel, enabling users to summon additional menus with a simple squeeze. Secondly, it introduces barrel rotation, allowing users to roll the pencil to alter the orientation of brush strokes. While these functionalities may be novel to many customers, they might ring a bell for Wacom users. Back in 2008, Wacom introduced the Art Pen, featuring barrel rotation as its key innovation. This capability remains cherished by many artists, particularly those with a background in traditional painting. For them, manipulating brush strokes on the screen mirrors the tactile experience of rotating a brush on a physical canvas. It's quite funny how Wacom suspended production of the Art Pen, especially considering its cult following among artists who passionately pleaded for its return. You can see all that comments in the Wacom community forum. Perhaps profitability played a role in their decision, but it seems like a missed opportunity. Now, with Apple integrating barrel rotation into their latest Apple Pencil, it's poised to become a staple feature. This move might just nudge Wacom to reconsider and reintroduce this sought-after functionality in their pens. It's a classic case of innovation coming full circle, with a touch of irony thrown in for good measure.